result shows a clear improvement in student speaking score, where the mean score of the pretest is 56.67 and the post-test mean score is 81.43, which indicates as a very positive impact. And then normally the test was conducted because the data is under 50, use tapiromil, and the result for the pretest significant value is 0.338, and then the significant value of the post-test is 0.108, which is higher than 0.05. So the data was not normally distributed. And then after that, the third sample test was conducted to determine whether the effect is statistically significant. And the result was a p-value of 0.000, which is lower than 0.05. So for the hypothesis, I accepted the outcome hypothesis and rejected the null hypothesis. After that, an effect size was conducted using Cohen's and the result was a p-value of 3.47, which is categorized as a very large effect because it's higher than 0.08. So for the discussion, I found out that this research is supported Mayer's multimedia learning theory and aligned with the previous studies such as Norasiat, Tamiani, or Sukrisno. Then for the conclusion, English conversion videos has significantly effective to improve student speaking skill. Maybe that's all for my presentation today.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, please
Do you vote? Your final? Do you vote?
What?
Do you vote?
Yes.
Is it same as your vote? Is
Yes.
it same?
Yes.
Could you show me the result of your data analysis about the effectiveness of English conversation videos in improving student speaking skills? In what way? Could you read that report?
For the data analysis, first is descriptive statistic result and the mean value of the
No, I mean the result.
result.
The result.
The result
In what page? Show me the result of your research about the effectiveness of English conversation video in improving student speaking skill. In what page? The result. Is it effective? Is it not?
it's effective.
Yeah. In what page?
I think it's not the same. Page of 51.
50.
1.
Read.
So this is on the third sample test score, where the p-value is 0.00. That was
on the result, what the mean score was minus 24 point. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, the p-value is 0.00, which is
Just
lower
read,
than.
just read the result. Read.
The significant total value was 0.000, which was smaller than 0.05. This indicates that there was a significant difference between the p-test and the post-test result. The mean value of the post-test was also higher than of the pre-test, which showed that there was an improvement in student speaking ability after receiving the treatment.
Okay. Then I ask you as the reader. Is it as the reader? Is it easy to find this result in such many pages like here? No. Why?
Because I don't show it like on the table of contents, on the
Because here there are only two things. The first one text, the second one of number. There is no display of chart. There is no display of diagram. Chart, diagram, picture, and other will catch easily for the reader to focus on the result of the research. That's why I suggest you that to add the chart of the diagram to show about the result of your research, to make it easier for the reader to read about your research result. Maybe you can combine the chart between the pre-test and the post-test, and there's a reflection below that say about there is an improvement simply after receiving the treatment. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much. What specific conversations that can improve the student's speaking skill?
Oh, for the concentration in the video contain like introducing text or to know their hobby, their dream, like that.
Okay, then what is the aspect of improvement?
I assess them with their fluency and pronunciation.
Nice. The recognition here is the motto. You have to give footnote here, the motto. And then the motto must be embedded with the topic.
Oh, okay.
The motto must be embedded with the topic. Then, in the forward, forward,
Yes.
you have to give signature here. Signature here. And then in the abstract, you have to give clear identity. The topic of your research, who is your advisor. Yeah, that's it. You have to give identity. This is English. This is okay, chapter 1, in the background of the study. Please read sentence 1. The background of the study.
Learning English plays a crucial
Okay,
role.
sorry. Now please read the topic of the research.
The effectiveness in this profession.
Okay. The background of the study, you must focus on the topic. Make more specific. Because the topic you speak about the effectiveness of English conversations because you move to the speaking skill, you focus. Yeah, talking about this. Okay. Next is page 9. Progress studies.
Yes.
Yeah, make it portrait, not landscape. Yeah. Then, yeah, you make mistake many times. Yeah, you are forbidden to write something like this. You have to make alphabet or numeric. Yeah. If this is numeric, you have to make alphabet here. Not like this. Then you make it, you make mistake many times here. Then, yeah, in page 52, discussion. Please make it more comprehensive. Because the leader usually read the instructions. Make it more comprehensive. Okay, that's all for me. Everything is good. Okay, now